I'm Rishi, and I recently came back from FabCon Europe, held in the beautiful city of Vienna, from September 15th to 18th, 2025. It was a whole load of fun. I talked to literally hundreds of people, including many of the leadership team from the product group in Microsoft who build Power BI and Fabric. Quite a few were over from the US, as well as other MVPs and community leaders who work with these technologies every day. I got so much value from these informal chats, I'd say actually more than even attending sessions, and I feel very fortunate to know so many people in this amazing community. But I'm conscious that's not the case for a lot of the 4,000 plus attendees at a conference like this. Many perhaps just know some colleagues they came with, and I imagine some just came by themselves and don't even know anyone else. But absolutely everyone at Microsoft and in the community are very approachable, and I know many would be happy to talk through your experiences with using these platforms and offer help and advice where they can. So this time around, when I met people, especially on the first day, I asked them to do a quick 10 to 15 second intro of themselves, which I've collated into this video. This is not a comprehensive list of those in the data community or those at the event, but rather just a selection of 45 people who I happen to remember when I bumped into them. If you see any of these people at the next conference, approach them and say hi. Of course, if you see me, come and say hi too.
I'm really excited to be here. I run the Azure Data Team here at Microsoft. I also run Microsoft Fabric. So excited to be here at the FabCon.
Hey, Josh Kaplan, I'm Director of Product for OneLife.
Good morning. Hi, I'm Wolfgang. I'm a data consultant from Austria. I'm a data platform MVP since 10 years now, and I spend most of my day with Fabric and Microsoft Perform.
Good morning, my name is Reitze. I'm working for Axiant and I'm working a lot with Microsoft Fabric, especially now the real-time analytics part, where we're ingesting a lot of data and presenting them on real-life dashboards.
I'm Marie. I'm a product manager on the Power BI product team. My focus is chat with your data.
Hi, I'm Matthias. I like to speak about and talk about at conferences everything around Power BI and Fabric. And at FabCon, I'm going to be talking about Direct Lake, which I'm so excited about because there's going to be some hefty changes. Spoiler.
I'm Mark. I'm MVP, a data platform MVP looking at Fabric Power BI from the Netherlands. Come catch me during FabCon.
My name is Bernard. I do lots of DAX, lots of C#.
Marcus. I do mostly data modeling in Power BI. And I'm from Austria.
Hey, it's Mike Carlo here at the Microsoft Fabric Conference in Vienna. I'm presenting this conference and doing translytical task flows with the Microsoft product team. I'm also leading a pre-con session where we're doing all introduction stuff to Fabric. Hope to see you here.
Samo, work with Amanat, Fabric Architect, started with SQL 6.5, and I have here. I'm learning it here. Let's see what Microsoft has prepared for us today.
Gudala, part of the Fabric partner ecosystem team. Very excited to have all the partners here. Today is the partner free day for us at FabCon. Can't wait for you guys to be here. Thank you.
I'm Tanner. I lead the partner success team for Azure Data, and I'm here actually the MC, the host for the partner free day today, and I'm excited to be here with all the partners.
Hi, I'm Montgomery McKelvey, VP of Product Marketing for Microsoft Fabric, and I'm delighted to be here with everybody.
My name is Nicolina Krasic. I work on the Fabric Partner Success team, and I focus on enablement and partner success. Looking forward to FabCon with all of you.
Cool, thank you.
Hey, I'm Stephanie, and I manage the Fabric Partner Communities.
Hey, nice to meet you. This is Khalid at FabCon. I'm the principal at Data Crafters, trying to figure out what's happening, the biggest, baddest thing in Fabric this year. We'll see.
Cool.
I'm Sujatha Narayana. I work at Power BI. Enjoy FabCon.
Sure, yeah.
Priya Sathi. I own Microsoft SQL.
Hi, I'm Steve. I co-founder of Analytic Endeavors, a US-based consultancy, and hanging out with Rishi at
Subays. I run my own data company. I'm hanging out, learning all of the new things about Fabric.
I'm Ashley, and I am the online community manager for Fabric Platform.
Hi everyone, my name is Christian. I'm a MVP, an Excel and Power BI MVP, and I'm running the Romania Power BI Modern Excel user group.
Cool. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Justina Lichnik. I run product for data engineering, data science,
So, Quinn Hopkins from Australia for Access Analytic, Power BI reporting and training. Loving it here at FabCon 2025.
Thank you.
I am Mustafa from Istanbul, Turkey, and Excel MVP. And since 20 years I am doing this work, and also not only in Excel but also Power BI, SQL, Python. I train people, and I work with all group platforms.
Hey Richie, I'm Christian Wade. I'm a director in the Power BI org. I look after enterprise BI scenarios, and I'm just very happy to be here. Happy to see everyone. So many people invest their careers into Power BI and Fabric, and meet the real roots. So great to be here.
Thomas Magel, I'm from Germany. I'm, I would say, veteran in terms of Microsoft AI. So I always say I do Microsoft BI since Microsoft is doing BI. I'm actually thrilled to be here in Vienna at the FabCon, and looking very much forward to the keynotes tomorrow. It must be fascinating what is here in the pipeline. I just attended the partner meeting, and everyone is just talking about very huge announcements. So very much looking forward to that. Let's see. Thank you.
I am Marty. I work for Microsoft. I work with the Fabric platform team. I use product for security, governance, key capabilities, capacities, etc. as well. Come to FabCon, learn more about this.
I'm Casper. I work on the Fabric team for about 9 years now, working on security, governance, administration, ISVs, so everything we want to know about Fabric.
I'm Rati Kamasani. I'm a solopreneur at Data Nova. And what I like about Fabric, I like how it unites all the tools together and how I can do end-to-end solution in one platform.
Janice here. Welcome to FabCon. Super excited to see our whole Fabric community here in Vienna.
Hey everyone, Faisal Mahmood here. I run the data integration team at Microsoft, so that's Fabric Data Factory and everything else that goes with getting data into one lake. Hope you all have a great event.
Thank you. I'm Shabnam Watson. I'm a Microsoft Data Platform MVP and independent consultant. Been in the data field for 20 plus years, focused on Microsoft data products. Mostly I work with Power BI and Fabric these days.
Hi there, I'm Chris Webb. I work on the Fabric Customer Advisory team.
Well, I don't think they're finishing.
Yeah, my name is Ricardo Carrasco. I'm a PM on the community team. And I'm in charge of community experiences and help out a little bit with learning and certifications.
Hi Rishi, I'm Pablo. I'm a CTO of Infinite Data Services, social integrator from Poland, ex-MVP, ex-Microsoft. Great to be here in Vienna at FabCon Europe.
Hey Rishi, hi, my name is Nicola. People know me as Data Mozart because I'm blogging as Data Mozart. I love Fabric and I'm enjoying being at FabCon Vienna. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Andre of Zebra BI, like this. Very excited to be here at FabCon Europe, especially because we have a major announcement. Our Zebra AI for Fabric just went live yesterday. It's now in public preview, so everybody can test Zebra AI, how to turn your sales data and financial data into dashboards and talk to your data via the Fabric workload that we've built with Zebra AI. Looking forward to connecting with everyone. Cool. Cheers.
Cool. Thank you.
So my name is Vanessa Rouge. I'm part of the Fabric Cat team at Microsoft.
Cool. That's it.
I'm Damir Kulic, CEO of Spectrum Core, and we are a database migration company dealing with very large database.
I'm Gregor, and I'm eating a blueberry muffin.
Hi, my name is Alex Powers. I'm here at FabCon. It's amazing. I'm here at the Ask the Expert booth. My favorite part of my week is all the general availability announcements. No more preview. Have fun. See you on Reddit. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Matthew Roach. I'm a Principal Program Manager at Microsoft. My team is responsible for research and product research programs at Microsoft supporting Azure Data. So I'm here at FabCon to learn from and connect with the users and community members that are building solutions on Fabric and changing the world, or at least their organizations.
I'm Nico Pistache. I'm leading the Power BI, so I'm the corporate vice president for Power BI. And I'm here to talk about Power BI. Hopefully everyone is still loving Power BI after the 10 years anniversary.